Let me just try to stream once again. Okay, Danish Hussain. Great. One more ticket sold out. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me see if I'm live or not. Just give me a second. Okay, so basically I'm live right now. Hello, bro. Hello. Hey, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing great. Okay. So basically, on the project that I was working on the project that I was working on is finally live. Okay, it's finally live. Okay, if I can show you, just give me a second. Okay. Da. Just give me a second. I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so basically, affiliate switch event. If you don't know about it, then let me tell you that we are conducting a virtual event, okay, a virtual event where I am going to share my whole, I can say, whole system that I personally use to do affiliate marketing and to run affiliate marketing business model. Okay, so affiliate, just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see that on affiliate, like if you want to purchase it, first of all, then you can go just on affiliateswitchevent.com and here you can just purchase the tickets. Okay, and you can just let me just refresh it because you can see the traffic right now is quite high. So basically, we are conducting this event on October 9th to October 11th. Okay, where I'm going to teach you like everything about affiliate marketing. Okay, here you can see I am going to teach you each and everything. Okay, each and everything from zero to advanced. Okay, from zero to advanced. Okay, so that's the thing that I'm going to do. So if you want to like learn more about it, you can just watch this video. Okay, if you want to like somebody comments that Umair, give us the link. So here you can see the link. The link is affiliateswitchevent.com. Okay, if you're not able to see it, then you can just check my Instagram. Okay, I have just shared the link over here, over there, sorry. So you can just check that. Okay, you can just check that. And this event is for sale right now. Okay, is on sale right now and we are giving tickets at very low cost. Okay, at very low cost we are giving the tickets. Okay, so you can see that we are giving so many things. Okay, so if you want to like get a part, like you want to be the part of this event, then what you have to do, you have to just go on this particular link, affiliate switch event, and yeah, you are able to see so many things over there. Okay, so if you have any queries, then you can ask me. Okay, and see, I'm going to do like this event at such a huge scale. Okay, because I know that we are giving so many information. We are not providing the personal mentorship, buddy, but on this event, on this affiliate switch event, I'm going to give you 18 hours of content for like at such a low cost. Okay, and believe me, you are going to love it. Okay, you are going to love it. So if you have any questions, just ask me. Okay, and let me see how many of you have grabbed the ticket. So I can say you are the premium member because I have created a private Facebook group and other thing as well for the premium members. Okay, so here you can see I have created a affiliate switch event Telegram group where I'm going to give 1 year support, 1 year free support to the members who have like who will join affiliate switch event. Okay, so that's the main thing that I'm going to do for the affiliate switch event attendees. Okay, so Danish Hussain has just grabbed their tickets. So hey, Danish Hussain. Okay, congrats, buddy, congrats. I hope you are good. Okay, so how many of you want to know the deliverables of this particular event. If you want to know the deliverables, just let me know. I will like quickly show you how to be affiliate of this event. See, we will surely launch the affiliate of this event. Okay, we will surely launch the affiliate of this event, and I can say this event will be like will be with 1,000 attendees as well, because this is my target and I'm going to achieve it by somehow. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So okay, so many people are asking for the link. So if you want to get the link, then just give me a second. Let me just share my screen. Let me just share my screen with you. Okay, so hello, Mayor. So if you want to like get the tickets of this particular event, then just go out on affiliate switch event / live. Okay, and from like from here you can grab the tickets. Okay, so here you can see that we are conducting this event on 9th October to 11th October. Okay, so basically the main reason to launch this event, uh, okay, so the main reason to launch this event is to help the people. Because of this COVID, there are so many people who have lost their jobs, and there are several things that they have gone through. So we have decided to launch this particular event where I'm going to tell you like how you can uh, become a affiliate marketer. Okay, so here you can see that I am like going to give you so many things, but maybe you are thinking that, Umair, like what are the deliverables? So when you just go down over here, so here you can see you will learn that how you can find the niche funnel crafting. You will learn automation marketing. Basically, chatbot automation marketing is related to traffic kingdom, which I am going to share on this particular event, and it's not going to be revealed in everywhere. Okay, not in my free blogging course and not anywhere. It's only going to be released on the affiliate switch event that I'm doing. Okay, and one more thing, sales funnel. I'm going to talk about like how you can build the sales funnel, which helps you to generate more revenue in your business. Okay, so that's the great thing that I am going to do. Okay, so this is the thing. Let me just share my yeah. Okay, okay, and after that I'm going to talk about the traffic generation. Okay, so traffic generation, you know that how important traffic generation is. So I'm going to talk about traffic generation secrets, where I'm going to like teach you so many methods to generate traffic online. Okay, so this is going to be amazing. And business expectation, so yeah, expansion. So I'm going to tell you each and everything. Okay, each and everything I'm going to tell you in this virtual event. Okay, this is going to be a virtual event. Okay, you don't have to come on anywhere. You don't have to come anywhere. You have to just open your mobile and you can watch this event from your phone itself. Okay, this is the simple and amazing thing that I'm going to do. Okay, and see, for the bonuses, like you know that I love to give bonuses. So on the bonus you will get opportunity, like I can say you will get so many things over here. Okay, so the okay link, if you want the link, then you can just type affiliate. Let me just go through affiliate switch event. Okay, this is the link, affiliate switch event. Okay, affiliate switch event.com. If you want to see, let me just share it over here on the comment. Okay, and believe me, it's going to be crazy. Okay, it's going to be very crazy. So this is for you. Okay, because you want to know it. So if you want to just use this particular link and see, uh, on this particular virtual, and I am going to give away 1 year free hosting to each and everyone, absolutely free. Okay, for each and like to each and everyone for absolutely free. Okay, please provide in the comment. Yes, I have provided in the comment. Okay, and also you will get 1 year premium support from me and my team. Okay, so we are going to provide you free support. Okay, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, that's the thing. And just for you, like 5 lucky people will get a chance to book a consultation call with me. Okay, see, my consultation call worth around 5,000 rupees, but 5 lucky people will get a chance. See, this is just a front end thing. I will like increase the number soon. Okay, it can be 30 people, you can say it can be 40 people. Okay, so it's totally depend. Okay, so here you can see I have so many things. So if you have any problem, and if you have to discuss that problem, then you can call us on this particular number. The number is 989111973132, where my team will help you to take the decision. Okay, where my team will help you, and believe me, this event is going to be crazy. Okay, believe me. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So if you have any queries, then you can just ask your queries. Okay, and I will try to help you out. Okay. So yeah, if you have any queries, you can just ask me. Okay, and let me just see. Okay, reply that. Okay. So if you have any questions, then you can ask me. Okay, and I will try to help you out. It's almost like 1 minute. Hosting name, please. You already know the hosting name, I think. Eco Web Hosting. If you have purchased the case study that I have offered, then maybe you know, because we have already did a webinar for our members the for the case studies, because we are giving them support through emails and all these things. So yeah, let me just check. Okay, okay, okay. I have already told the hosting name, brother. If you haven't checked the name, then yeah, you can just tell me. Okay. Do you have a proper affiliate site? Yes, brother, I have a proper affiliate website. You can search guide blogging as well. That's my particular site. And if you know, then I am uh, I am the owner of this group. If you don't know, okay. So yeah, great, great. Okay. So okay. Let me see if you have any questions. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, and I will try to help you. Just ask your questions in the comment box. Okay, I will try to help you through it. How to I haven't checked the hosting name. Please tell here. The hosting name is Eco Web Hosting. Eco Web Hosting. The hosting name is Eco Web Hosting. Okay, you can just search it on Google. You will find it out. This is the web hosting. This is the web hosting given by many popular internet marketers like Gaurav Madan, and there are so many people like Saurabh Bhatnagar, Rahul Bhatnagar. So yeah, it's going to be amazing. Okay, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so yeah. Okay, thanks, bye. Welcome. How to get traffic on Amazon affiliate site for conversion? See, Google, I can say you have to do SEO to generate traffic through, like, you have to like, for conversion, I can say organic is just crazy. Organic is just crazy. Okay, so yeah. And like, if you haven't joined my blogging domination course, then join it. But if you already joined, then you would know that I have like provided so much value over there. Okay, so you already know the power, like you already know the power of my knowledge. Okay, so that's the main thing. So if you have any more questions, just let me know and I will try to help your queries. Like, I will try to help you. Okay. 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 So if you have any more questions, can I earn money through blogpost.com? See, I don't I can't tell you that you will earn, but I can say that if you will invest in your learning, if you invest in your business, then I can see you will see some growth. Otherwise, I can't say. Okay, I can't say that you will see some growth or something else. Okay. Being honest, I have to say this. So let me just check how many people have grabbed it. Okay. So, okay, there are so many names. Okay, so if you have more questions, then okay, if you have any more questions, just let me know. Okay, just let me know. I will try to help you out. Okay, I will try to help you out. Waiting for a few more questions. Okay, just give me a second. In how many days you get a decent reader? My site is 2 month old. See, there is no limit. There is no limit. I can easily say, because I have received result. Bro, I was not able to log in. Not able to log in my course. Like, if you are not able to log in my course, then try to like log in one. Not log in. Try to sign up once again. Okay, and that's how you will easily access my course. Okay. So just give me a second so I can see. Okay. So, please answer my question. I think I already answered your question. If you have more questions, then please ask me, and I will try to help your. I will try to help you. Okay. Try, bro, but not able to access your course. Bro, try once again with new email ID, and I think by this you will get help. Okay. So just give me a second. Okay. 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 Okay, so yeah, guys, I think I have solved your all queries. I have to go for some meeting. Okay, so I will see you in few minutes. Okay, in few minutes, in few hours, we will do daily live session. Okay, so yeah, I will see you soon. Cheers.